The city of Indianapolis, which serves as the state capital and is also the state's largest city, is an exciting vacation spot that features a diverse assortment of historical sites, cultural venues, and other points of interest. This bustling metropolis has a history that spans over 3 centuries, and it has developed into a thriving hub of art, sports, and entertainment throughout the course of that time. Visitors are invited to explore Indianapolis's many neighborhoods, enjoy the city's culinary pleasures, and immerse themselves in the city's one-of-a-kind blend of traditional values and contemporary sensibilities. In today's video, we check out Indianapolis, Indiana, top things to do. Welcome to Hotels and Cities, the channel that focuses on great places to visit and worthwhile travel destinations for you and your loved ones. Before we jump into our list, don't forget to click that subscribe button and that bell icon to always be updated on all things travel. Now let's get into it. Indianapolis is famous for its warm ambience and quaint Midwestern charm. This bustling city has something for everyone, from world-class museums and parks to world-famous sites like Monument Circle and the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. There is something for everyone in this city that is always evolving. Indianapolis guarantees that you will have a once-in-a-lifetime experience that will leave you with reminiscences that will last a lifetime, regardless of whether you're interested in art, history, or sports. Since its establishment in 1820 as a settlement for the Lenape Native Americans, Indianapolis has developed into a thriving metropolis over the course of its history, which now spans more than 300 years. Today, it holds the distinction of being the state capital with its second highest population in the entire country. Not only is the city of Indianapolis the state capital of Indiana, but it is also referred to as America's Crossroads, Naptown, and Railroad City. These names are a reflection of the city's long and illustrious past, which is linked with its ties to jazz music and railroads. The fact that Indianapolis is situated on a national road, which further contributes to the importance of the city, is one of the city's more interesting aspects. Even though the precise origin of the term Hoosier is unknown, the people who call themselves Hoosiers with pride because they live in Indiana. According to 2 popular hypotheses, it is either derived from John Finley's poem The Hosier's Nest, 1833, or it has its origins in an Indian corn word. Both of these ideas are speculative. The city of Indianapolis provides a diverse selection of activities which not only cater to a variety of interests but also give visitors the chance to learn about the city's history. Monument Circle, which can be found in the heart of downtown Indianapolis, is an attraction that just cannot be missed. The Soldiers and Sailors Monument is an outstanding building that rises to a height of 284.5 feet and serves as the focal point of this famous landmark. The monument, which was constructed in a neoclassical style, is encircled by sculptural representations of the peril and the victory that led to the freedom of thousands upon thousands of slaves. It is an important component of the city's most popular tourist destinations in Indianapolis. The Indianapolis Museum of Art is another one of the city's attractions, and it is home to an impressive collection that numbers more than 54,000 pieces of art from countries all over the world. The encyclopedic collection of the museum includes works from a variety of disciplines such as ceramics, textiles, and fine art, and it spans continents from North America to Africa and from Europe to Asia. Visitors have the opportunity to completely submerge themselves in the works of art that were made by renowned painters. The museum provides its guests with an enhanced experience by staging a number of events throughout the year. These events can take the shape of performances, talks, or film screenings. White River State Park should not be missed by anyone who has even a passing interest in the natural world. This vast park is located in the heart of the city and spans a total of 250 acres. It features picturesque walking trails, picnic spaces, and quiet sanctuaries in the midst of nature. The peace and quiet that can be found along the canal walk that stretches for 3 miles along the water's edge makes it an excellent location for relaxing. After checking out White River State Park, you can continue your sightseeing adventure in Indianapolis at one of the city's many other well-known locations, such as the Indianapolis Zoo. This vast park is home to a rich array of over 3,800 species, including more than 320 species of animals, and it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The zoo is home to a botanical garden in addition to an aquarium where visitors may see dolphins swim overhead and enjoy other aquatic life. Additionally, visitors are given the opportunity to interact with the animals through the use of interactive touchscreen displays. National Historic Landmark status has been bestowed upon the Lily House and Gardens, making them an additional intriguing attraction. This gorgeous house is now a part of the Indianapolis Museum of Art and features perfectly maintained grounds that surround the residence of J.K. Lilly Jr., a well-known collector and philanthropist. The mansion has been painstakingly reconstructed to look as it did in the 1930s, providing guests with the opportunity to experience life during that era. Try your hand at duckpin bowling, a throwback sport that's rather popular in Indianapolis, or an experience that's both unusual and pleasant. This particular style of bowling contains pins and lanes that are scaled down to a smaller size, creating an ambience that is evocative of the 1930s. It is a straightforward and enjoyable game that provides players with a one-of-a-kind experience, despite the fact that the score system is different from that of traditional bowling. Tepper's Arcade Bar is a fantastic destination for those looking to unwind and have a good time in the heart of downtown Indianapolis. This well-liked business features a comprehensive collection of vintage arcade games, and visitors may participate in cost-free gaming while savoring delectable artisanal brews that are created in the city of Indianapolis. Because it has such a large number of interesting places to visit, Indianapolis is visited by tourists from all over the United States. These visitors bring their friends and family members so that they can take in everything that the city has to offer. It doesn't matter if you're planning a vacation to Indiana for today or sometime in the future. If you want to take advantage of some amazing deals on transportation and lodging during your stay, be sure to check out the links provided below. In addition, whatever state or region would you like to see us cover in our next video? Leave a comment down below telling us what you think about today's video. Before we end today's video, make sure you check out the description below for amazing discounts and deals on hotels and accommodations for your next getaway. That's it for today's video. If you found this video useful, click that like button and share this with your fellow travel buddies. If you want to be always updated whenever we have a new video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell icon to always be in the loop whenever we have new content. Thank you for watching and safe travels.